Welcome to this video on the top programming mistakes that can kill your code and how to solve them. As a programmer, it's easy to get caught up in the details and miss some common mistakes. But don't worry, in this video, we'll cover some of the most common mistakes and show you how to avoid them. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, not properly handling errors and exceptions. This can lead to unexpected behavior or crashes in the program. To fix this, make sure to include try-catch blocks or utilize a centralized error handling mechanism to handle errors and exceptions in a consistent manner. Mistake number 2, not properly initializing variables. This can lead to unexpected behavior or errors. To fix this, make sure to initialize all variables before use and ensure they have the correct data type. Mistake number 3, not properly closing resources, such as file handles or database connections. This can lead to resource leaks and poor performance. To fix this, make sure to properly close or dispose of resources when they are no longer needed. Mistake number 4, not properly sanitizing user input. This can lead to security vulnerabilities such as SQL injection. To fix this, make sure to validate and sanitize all user input before using it in the program. Mistake number 5, not properly handling concurrency and synchronization. This can lead to race conditions, deadlocks, and other issues. To fix this, make sure to use appropriate synchronization mechanisms, such as locks or atomic operations, when working with shared resources. Mistake number 6, not subscribing to us. This can lead to missing out on our best contents. To fix this, make sure to like, share and subscribe,